Hey, everybody, we're going to play hurry up, no huddle bingo. 073, N 40, I 22, 067. A lot of fun. Played a little hurry up, no huddle bingo. They responded well. It was a lot of fun. A lot of Auburn fans here too, so that was really exciting.
We're out here today to give back as a department. Obviously the community of Auburn and Opelika are very special to the university, and we obviously want to do our part in the community and help out where we can.
At any time you can use your influence in a positive way, give back, especially the community. I think that's very important, and all of our coaches and our players feel that way.
It's all about giving back to the community that supports the university. I mean, Auburn truly is a college town, and for us to be able to come out in the community and help out here today at the Habitat for Humanity and redoing a home for a family that is in need, it's certainly special for the university and for the people that are helping today.
B7